Hello everyone and welcome back. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today we're going to paint a peaceful rainforest river scene on a black canvas, filled with lush tropical plants, glowing wet leaves, soft rainfall, and a calm stream flowing through the forest. This painting is all about creating atmosphere, depth, and the feeling of fresh rain. So let's get started. I begin by mixing blue, white, black, and just a touch of yellow to create a cool, muted blue-green. Using this mixture, I loosely cover the upper half of the canvas. I don't make it perfectly smooth, because a little variation will help create a more natural forest atmosphere. Next, I brighten the mixture by adding a little more yellow and white. Using a small piece of sponge, I gently dab the paint onto the canvas to create a soft, blurry background. This simple technique gives the illusion of distant foliage without adding unnecessary detail. To enhance the feeling of moisture in the forest, I place small, soft highlights across these brighter areas. These tiny glowing spots represent light reflecting off wet leaves and instantly make the scene feel fresh and alive. Now I mix black with a little blue and red to create a deep, natural shadow color. With this mixture, I paint the trunks of the trees in the background. I also suggest a few distant branches and thinner tree trunks, keeping everything soft and slightly blurred so they naturally fade into the distance. For the river, I begin by mixing yellow, red, and blue to create a warm, earthy tone, applying it along the edges of the water. Then, by adding more yellow and blue, I create a richer green for the center of the stream. These subtle color changes make the water feel more natural as it reflects both the surrounding plants and the forest floor. On one side of the painting, I block in a dark base layer where the large tropical plants will grow. Using my small round brush, I begin shaping the oversized rainforest leaves one by one. Some leaves are painted with clear, defined edges, while others overlap each other to create the dense, layered look of tropical vegetation. This variation makes the forest appear lush and full of life. Where the plants fall into shadow, I use cooler jade greens and occasionally add more blue to my mixture. Along the outer edges of the leaves, where sunlight reaches them, I switch to brighter greens mixed with touches of yellow. The foreground leaves are painted with much sharper detail to bring them closer to the viewer. I also curve many of the leaves downward slightly. This simple adjustment helps them look heavy with rainwater, making the entire scene feel more realistic and believable. Once all the leaves are in place, I add soft highlights using pale blue and white. These shimmering highlights suggest moisture resting on the leaf surfaces and create that beautiful, glossy appearance you often see after rainfall. To add even more depth, I paint a few bright leaves extending beyond the main group of foliage. These extra details help complete the rich layered structure of the rainforest. Now I move back to the river. I add warm brown reflections along the edges of the water, followed by soft green reflections beneath the plants. These reflections connect the vegetation to the water and make the entire composition feel more unified. Using a thin, diluted light color, I paint a small waterfall in the background. From there, I begin adding gentle ripples, flowing water, and shimmering reflections that capture the movement of the stream and the sparkle of the rain. Finally, after completing all the water details, I switch to a liner brush loaded with a very thin mixture of white and a tiny amount of black. With quick, delicate strokes, I paint fine rain lines throughout different parts of the scene. These subtle streaks create the illusion of gentle rainfall and give the painting its peaceful, rainforest atmosphere. I truly hope you enjoyed painting along with me and found this tutorial relaxing and inspiring. If you did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss future acrylic painting lessons. Thank you so much for watching. Happy painting, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.